LED light bulbs. You've heard they're more energy efficient and that they last longer, but you've probably always thought LED light bulbs are too expensive until now. Because the next big thing in LED to replace bulky CFLs is here. Introducing the Bright Stik LED from GE, a new innovation in lighting that might look small and a little different, but packs big LED performance inside. How does the Bright Stik measure up to traditional compact fluorescents? Let's take a look. Because of its unique size and shape, the Bright Stik LED bulb looks better than spiral-shaped bulbs in many fixtures. There's never been a better time to try LED. Look for it today.